Well, hang about, let's make sure that's on. I think it's on. I don't know, I can't see now. Anyway, what am I doing? Well, we're here having a last feed at night, aren't we, mate? We are. I don't know if you can see this, but oh yeah, that's it. Come here, be a good boy. Come on, stop messing about now. See, it's bloody late and I've got to go to bed. There's all the rest of the animals to feed when Dad's finished. That's a good boy. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? There you go. Is that it? He's having his last feed. Come on, you bleeding thing. Get that in there. Come on. Stop biting. Getting worse than his mother. Right. Here. Come here. He's not having it. Come on in. He's having it. He's like, I'll have some in a minute. Here. Come on. Here. Come on in. Turn around. Come on. Stop being a mardy ass. That's it. Come on, Dougie. I need to have some before he goes to bed. Come on, I want to go to bed and all. Sid's in bed, he's asleep. Chickens are asleep. All other babies are asleep. He's not having none of this. She's saying, what the fuck's he doing? Just leave him. He's alright. Here. Last bit. Don't you be slamming the fucking feet down at me. Come on, here. Does I want some or not? He's playing ball. Here. Come on. Here. Come on. That's it. Good boy. That's enough now then. Right, you can both get to sleep. So, that's him fed. Never mind following me now. Come on. Look at this here, look. He says, come on. I'll have a bit more of that if you don't mind. Oh, fucking hell. Here. So it's about 10:30, he's just having his last feed. That's it. That's it. He's had quite a bit actually. Isn't that nice? Good girl. Good girl. Have you had enough? Here. Come on. Never mind you. I'm not going to chase you. Fuck that. Go to sleep and I'll see you in the morning, yeah? I'm full of fucking cold. Roaming about on a farm at 10:30 at night. I'm going. Good night, God bless. Be a good girl. Look after him. I'll see you in the morning. This is how farm looks at night. So night. Night, everybody. That's it. Night. So this is how it looks at night. Well, chickens are away today. I'll show you down here. They're all asleep. I think it's about half past 10, something like that. Turn the lights off. This is all stables all lit up. So that's how it all looks. Peaceful and quiet. And that's my last thing to do for today. So I'm going to go back in and I'll probably put this up on, I don't know if if it's recording even. What is it? 6, 7, yeah, it's recording. I'm going to put this up on YouTube. Fuck, look at that now. Put it up on YouTube and TikTok. I'm going home now. I'm going to go and if I can find my way through the gate. Look, it's pitch black, isn't it? Look at it. Oh, there's somebody down there sitting with a torch. Can you see him? So, this is how dark it is. Genuinely is pitch black. Except for the farmhouse, because they've got a light on our side. Somebody flashing a torch down there. I don't know what that is. See it? Like the lamping. I don't know if anybody knows what lamping is, but it's when you're rabbiting. That's what that looks like to me. There's nobody out at this time. Well, I can think of out at this time anyway. There's a sharp light North Yorkshire Dale now. Yeah, I hear something going off. Lots of lights going off, that's what it is. So anyway, that's me done for neat. I'm off. I'll upload this in a bit and go and get in because it's freezing. And I'll catch you all tomorrow. Have a lovely night. Take care. See you tomorrow. Thanks for liking.